Hi, I'm Glenn. I'm representing the Southeast Asia Rainforest Research Partnership, SEARRP, and we are the 2020 Merdeka Award recipient for the Environment category. It was a huge surprise and a fantastic honour to receive this news, not just for me, but for our entire team. So yeah, absolutely fantastic, and especially during these difficult times, to receive such an honour is wonderful. So our programme was established in 1985 and based at Danang Valley in Sabah. So we've been operating in Malaysia now for more than 35 years. And over this period, our scientists have published more than 700 journal articles. Almost 200 students have gained their masters and PhDs after working as part of our programme, with about a third of those, so 80 or more students, being Malaysian. And many of those Malaysian students now have careers within the Malaysian government departments and agencies, NGOs and so forth. And that, in a sense, that sort of group of Malaysian scientists who work with us is a fantastic legacy for our programme. So I should probably talk about some sort of worthy scientific finding, of which there have been many, of course, but I guess some of the sort of personal standout moments have been meeting some sort of fairly high-profile people. I mean, Sir David Attenborough, Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, Prince William and Kate, which was fantastic as well, and they are both great champions of conservation and have been very supportive of our work. Then more recently, the Oscar-winning actor Dame Judi Dench also came and visited our programme and Danang Valley in Sabah, along with her conservationist partner David Mills. We worked on a documentary together with some of our scientists, and that was also a sort of a standout moment. And both Dame Judi and her partner David have now become patrons of our programme and of conservation in Sabah, so that's been fantastic as well. Because they're so important, Malaysia's rainforests store enormous quantities of carbon, so play a crucial role addressing issues around climate change. They support some of the highest levels of biodiversity, the largest number of species found anywhere on the surface of the Earth. They protect soils, they protect water resources, so they're important at so many different levels. But unless we really understand rainforests, it's very difficult to look at how they can best be conserved and, in some cases, restored. So that sort of understanding is really crucial and important. I hope that SEARRP has made a contribution.